Yo, what's up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a free geometric banner pack. The link will be down in the description below. You can go ahead and download it right now. It's for free. So with that being said, let's get going. So the pack have 4 folders: the backgrounds, fonts, name holders, and finally the shapes. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead and create your name. I'm using Pixel Lab. The link will be down in the description below. It's a really cool app that allows you to create text with fonts. So first thing, go ahead and just edit this text and put in your YouTube channel name. I'm gonna put Cinou because this is my YouTube channel name. And then you can go ahead to this button right over here and search for the button that says fonts. So once you do that, go ahead and press on it and go to this section, which is my fonts, and then hit on this folder which has a plus button below it. So go ahead and just press on it, and this is actually going to allow you to add more fonts in your library. So if you go ahead to my pack, which is the geometric pack, which you should find somewhere right over here. I think it's yeah, there you go, it's right over here. You can go ahead and press on it and then go to the folder that got fonts and then hit add directory. Once you do that, you will have all of the fonts that I provided you in this pack. So go ahead and use the one that you are that you feel, you know, comfortable using. I'm going to be using this one right over here because I think I like it. So once you do that, as you can see, you will see that your font's being applied. Finally, go down right over here to this backgrounds and then hit to transparent. So we have now a transparent background. Last step, to go ahead and just save this image to your gallery. So next up, go ahead to Photoshop Touch, which is our photo editor for today. You can go ahead and use whatever photo editor that you feel comfortable using. So first thing, go ahead and just import a background. And you will find a lot of backgrounds in my pack that suits this theme, which is geometric. And you can go ahead and also add your very own name holder, which you are gonna put your name above it. Of course, you are free to go ahead and customize it and add whatever effects you want. So I'm adding a drop shadow effect into my name holder, which gives it some sort of floating effect, which I love. And now, of course, go ahead and import your name and put it above the name holder. That's why we call it the name holder. Also, in my pack, you will find these different shapes right over here, and you can change the color of them depending on what is the color of your background. And the purpose of these shapes is to go ahead and add 3D vibes to your banner. So by placing them somewhere like above your text and on the background, will give the feeling that the text and the name holder somehow belongs to the background. So go ahead and just place them in random places on the banner and you should see such a cool results. You can also get creative and add your very own touch. As you can see, I added those vertical bars which I think they look pretty dope, and you are not limited with what I gave you guys in this pack. You can go ahead and just import stuff from your very own gallery that you owned before and create your very own masterpiece. So yeah guys, this is the geometric banner pack. I really hope that this pack helps you guys to create your very own banner. So if you don't have a banner, you can go ahead and start and make your very own right now. As you can see, it's really easy. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and like it. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you didn't join me already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.